Здраво, ние сме од Аларм прес тимот. Што правите вие тука? Какви инструменти ударни? Какви материјали користите за тоа?
Капачиња, и капчиња од плажа.
Може да ми демонстрираш како правиш еден? Ајде, кој е највиждјаст? Што зема се? Селотепче, го лепиш. Одлично. Дај ми го утре ќе го свирам на сцена. Благодарам.
What do you want?
Sorry? I'll play it tomorrow on the stage.
It's for you, okay.
So, where are you from?
Spain.
Spain?
Yes.
Do you travel around a lot?
I am working
in festivals or
in Skopje.
in Skopje?
Yes.
What do you do?
I am photographer and I am teaching photography in high schools.
How come you came up with this idea?
I applied for a project, European Union, and they told me that I have to go to Macedonia, to Skopje, and I have here already 4 months. I am very happy. I like Macedonia, and I will be here till December.
How come you came up with the idea of making this
I was
instrument?
thinking, no, she just told me how to make it. She was the
You
owner
like
of the
this?
idea.
Do you think that this is good for nature or?
These instruments?
Yes?
Of course, why not? We are using like...
Instead of throwing it